Here we are traveling west from Sugar Creek to Walnut Creek, coming into the Walnut Creek Flats on State Route 39. Over on the right here is Elite Flooring, and that's where they'll be registering for the journey to Bethlehem. So that's very nice of them to volunteer to do that. We travel down here a little bit further. Enjoying the countryside. On the right hand side there's a beautiful barn and an old house that is very well kept. We've got Walnut Creek cheese coming up on the right. It's Walnut Creek Cheese and Market. Tell you what, stop there, grab an ice cream cone. It's just a couple of bucks, hand dipped, wonderful. Also on the right hand side right here is the covered bridge built by the Holmes County Commissioners. Pretty cool to see. Up on the left is a road that goes back. One of my favorite spots to take pictures of the barn and the pond. But that will take you back to the farm and also to Charm, Ohio. As we come up the hill here, you're going to see the Welcome to Walnut Creek sign. There's a museum at Walnut Creek that if you get a chance to tour it, it tells you a lot of the Amish history and different things like that. A lot of antiques in there. It's very, very interesting. It's got a lot of cool things, so take the time to stop in there. It's free by donation. On the right hand side here is the famous barn that everybody puts in the pictures. Also, if you look to the right when you're driving, the water tower is up there also. You can't see it here in the video. So here when you get to the gas station, you hang a right. If you continue on straight, that's going to take you into Berlin and Millersburg and Loudonville, all in Holmes County. So here you're coming into Walnut Creek, and we're going to turn around and come back and look at these different stores on the left for this Coleman's chocolate, and also the Carlisle Inn. These are two places that will also be featured in the journey to Bethlehem, as well as the places on the right, the stores. On the rooftop of the one building is angels will be placed on that rooftop if it's safe, if the snow's cleared off and everything. Down in between, make sure you look in between these stores down in, because there are shepherds down there with their sheep and their flock. And that's pretty neat. Here's a Der Dutchman restaurant. The famous porch with all of the rockers down along there. Great food. Awesome buffet. Straight ahead is Hillcrest Orchard, and so stop out there and see that. So as we turn around, on the left hand side is the Carlisle Gifts and a couple of other stores. They're really neat to go in and see. We're going to turn into the parking lot here, because this is something that you don't want to miss, and it would be easy to miss if you didn't know about it. So as you pull straight ahead, it is the view. It's what I call the view. It's one of the most photographed views. You see a lot of pictures of this online. It's just beautiful. So you need to stop and see this. Take a moment. It changes by the season. A lot of times, each time I drive by, I stop just to look out across the valley, because you can see for just miles. Pulling back out. See the famous barn. Off to the left is the museum. So turn down the road to the right when you pull into Walnut Creek, and you'll see the museum and a couple of other stores. Here's the Carlisle Inn again. Beautiful, beautiful hotel. During the journey to Bethlehem, this is where they'll do the reenactment of No Room at the Inn. Here's Coldness Chocolate. There's going to be King Herod, I believe, is in there, as well as the shepherds and the marketplace. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and share and follow and subscribe, because it's very important, and I really appreciate that. Stay tuned for more on HCO and more.